Hello, designers! In this video, I'll show you how to create a geometric design in Adobe Illustrator. First, draw a polygonal shape and increase the stroke size to 35 points. Rotate the shape 90 degrees. Next, go to the rulers and create guides that align vertically and horizontally with the center of the artboard. Center the polygon on the artboard. Make a copy of the polygon like this. Add a guide at the bottom of the shape. And then delete the shape. Select the remaining shape. Pick the Rotate tool. Hold down the Alt key and click on the center of the shape. Set the angle to 60 degrees and click Copy. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate this action. Once you have all the shapes in place, select them all. Go to Object Greater Than Expand and hit OK. Open the Pathfinder panel and click Merge to merge all the shapes. With all the shapes still selected, use the Rotate tool again. Click on the center of the polygonal shape while holding down the Alt key. Set the angle to 60 degrees and click Copy. Repeat this by pressing Ctrl+D to create more duplicates. Now, use the Magic Wand tool to select any extra shapes and merge them. Finally, select everything, go to the Pathfinder panel, and choose Minus Front to finish the design. Now just add colors and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.